Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can lower volume in Premiere Pro. So the first step, you simply need to select any video in Premiere Pro. Here you can see that I already selected and I want to lower the volume. So you simply need to select that, click the right mouse cursor, and here you can see different options. Here you can see audio gain, audio channels. You simply need to click on audio gain, and here you can see that adjust gain by. So you simply need to add value. So I'm going to add minus, so I'm going to add 30 dB. So here you can see this wave will be now, and here you can see that. And now if I play a video, hi guys, welcome to the channel. Now you can listen this as well. In today's video I'm going to show you, and the second method is you simply need to hold that and you need to lower this as well to reduce the volume. So this is the process by which you can lower volume in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.